Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. The COVID-19 pandemic transformed the world, and with it, the landscape of in vitro diagnostics. Suddenly, terms like PCR and rapid antigen tests became household names. This surge in public awareness created a massive opportunity for IVD manufacturers, but it also placed the industry under an intense regulatory microscope. Before the pandemic, many diagnostic developers could self-certify their products with minimal oversight, especially in Europe. That era is over. Regulators globally are now demanding more rigorous evidence of safety and performance, creating a complex web of requirements for companies looking to enter or expand in international markets. Consider the case of a US-based startup that developed a groundbreaking multiplex test for respiratory viruses during the pandemic. They secured an Emergency Use Authorization, or EUA, from the FDA and saw incredible domestic success. But as the pandemic evolved, they aimed for global expansion into the European Union and key markets in Latin America, like Brazil and Mexico. They quickly discovered that their EUA documentation was insufficient. The EU's new In-Vitro Diagnostic Regulation, or IVDR, required a complete overhaul of their technical dossier, including extensive clinical performance data that they hadn't needed for the US market. Each Latin American country, in turn, had its own unique submission format and local representation requirements. Their global launch stalled, caught in a maze of paperwork and unfamiliar regulations. This is a common story. The path to global market access for IVDs is now paved with challenges that require both deep local knowledge and a highly efficient, streamlined process. Companies must navigate varying classification systems, from Class A to Class D in Europe, and understand the specific clinical evidence needed for each jurisdiction. Managing this for dozens of markets simultaneously can drain resources and delay revenue. This is where a technology-enabled, integrated approach becomes critical. A partner that offers a single-process, multiple-market solution can be a game-changer. By leveraging a global network of local experts and using advanced AI tools to compile and manage technical documentation, companies can harmonize their submission strategies. This allows them to prepare a core dossier that can be efficiently adapted and submitted across more than 30 countries, from the EU and UK to rapidly growing markets in Asia and the Americas. It transforms a complex country-by-country struggle into a streamlined, strategic global launch. The future of IVD is global, but only for those who can master its complex regulatory demands. For more insights on streamlining your global medtech and IVD strategy, please email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit us at https://pureglobal.com.